artista na talaga magpaano, oh.
Happy birthday!
Shot muna kayo, sir. Quick shot lang po.
Grace, show him best reasons. Kindness, show him small ones. And dreamless to unfolding, with a heart full of hope and smile that feels like home. Let us warmly welcome to our party celebrant, Sherilyn. How about a big round of applause, everybody? Come on, isang masigabong na palakpakan naman dyan. For our celebrant.
Quick shot nyo lang mga.
Mabilis lang ba? Quick shot lang na dapat. Nakala-check kami agad!
Terrell.
1, 2, 3. Ang kapal, ang taba. Ang taba.
Thanks so much. Thank you so much.
Good evening to the birthday celebrant, Sherilyn Pacaron, to our Bell Bell. Of course, may we raise this glass for Bell Bell's. May all her heart's desires come true, and may God bless her always. And I wish all the best for her, and sana mag-success siya sa life. Sa lahat ng gusto niya sa buhay. Ayun, thank you!
I wish you